Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to install artificial grass. It's easier than you might think, so let's jump right in. Tools and materials you need. Alright, first things first, here's what you'll need: artificial grass, shovel, rake, utility knife, measuring tape, sand or gravel, garden hose, a broom or brush, joining tape and adhesive. Got all that? Great, let's get started. Step-by-step guide to install artificial grass. Step 1. Prepare the area. Start by clearing out any old grass, weeds, or debris. Use your shovel to dig down about 2 to 3 inches. This will make space for our base layer. Step 2. Add the base layer. Spread a layer of sand or gravel evenly over the area. This helps with drainage and keeps the grass in place. Use your rake to level it out nicely and smoothly. Step 3. Compact the base layer. Use a garden roller or even a piece of wood to press down the sand or gravel. Make sure it's firm and even. This is important for a solid foundation. Step 4. Measure and cut the artificial grass. Roll out your grass and measure the area you need to cover. Then, use a utility knife to cut the grass to the right size. Cut from the back side for a cleaner edge. Step 5. Lay out the grass. Position the grass where you want it to go. If you have multiple pieces, make sure the grass blades all run in the same direction for a natural look. Step 6. Join the seams. If you have more than one piece of grass, use joining tape and adhesive to connect them. Lay the tape along the seam, apply the adhesive, and press the edges of the grass down firmly. Step 7. Secure the edges. Use landscape pins or garden staples to pin down the edges of the grass. Place them about 6 inches apart to keep everything secure. Step 8. Brush the grass. Use a broom or brush to fluff up the grass and make it look natural. Brush against the grain to lift the fibers. Step 9. Water the grass. Give your new lawn a light spray with a garden hose. This helps the sand or gravel settle and keeps the grass in place. And there you have it. A beautiful, low-maintenance artificial grass lawn. Now you can enjoy your yard without all the hassle of mowing and watering. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!